my friends! Today we're going to a big underwater party. Are you ready to count to 20 and meet some new friends? Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Blue whale. Blue whale. When a whale breathes, water shoots out like a fountain. 1 blue whale. Dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphins are super smart, and they're really good friends with people. 1, 2 dolphins. Clownfish. Clownfish. The clownfish is the colorful little fish who lives in a wiggly home. 1, 2, 3. 3 clownfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. The jellyfish is a wiggly, jiggly umbrella that glows in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jellyfish. Crab. Crab. The crab is the beach walker who scuttles sideways, click-clack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 crabs. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. The sea turtle is the slow and steady traveler with a backpack shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sea turtles. Seahorse. Seahorse. The seahorse is the tiny sea pony that swims standing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 seahorses. Octopus. Octopus. The octopus is the master of disguise with 8 tickly arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 octopuses. Starfish. Starfish. A starfish is a pretty sea creature with a star-shaped body that crawls along the ocean floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 starfish. Shark, shark. They sleep with one eye open and half of their brain awake to watch for sharks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sharks. Stingray, stingray. A stingray is a flat sea animal that glides through the water like a flying carpet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 stingrays. Squid, squid. A squid is a sea animal that swims by pushing water out of its body and can quickly change color to hide from enemies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squid. Lobster, lobster. The lobster is the blue-blooded king with very strong claws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 lobsters. Eel, eel. The eel is the long, wiggly ribbon of the ocean. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 eels. Pufferfish, pufferfish. A pufferfish is a sea fish that can puff up like a balloon to scare predators and stay safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 pufferfish. Clam, clam. A clam is a sea animal that lives inside 2 shells and can hide safely in the sand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 clams. Seal, seal. A seal loves to swim in the cold ocean, clap its flippers, and rest on the shore after catching fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 seals. Sea otter, sea otter. Otters are friendly animals that love swimming and playing in the rivers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 otters. Sea snail, sea snail. A sea snail is a small ocean animal that moves slowly and carries its shell on its back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 sea snails. Sea urchin, sea urchin. The sea urchin is the tiny purple pincushion of the sea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 sea urchins. Great job! You're all counting superstars. If you want to play and learn with us again, be sure to subscribe and watch more fun videos on the Happy Little Star channel. See you next time. Bye-bye, little friends.